Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup AWS EFS data using AWS Backup, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up AWS EFS data using AWS Backup, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Backup service. Once in the AWS Backup dashboard, click on the Create Backup Plan button. Select Build a new plan to start creating a custom backup plan. Enter a name for your backup plan in the designated field. Optionally, you can add a description to help identify the plan later. Next, set the backup frequency by choosing a suitable schedule. You can select daily, weekly, or monthly based on your data needs. In the Backup Rules section, set the lifecycle settings for how long you want to retain the backups. Next, navigate to the Resource Assignment tab. Click on Assign Resources to specify the EFS file systems you wish to backup. In the Assign Resources window, provide a name for the assignment. Then select EFS from the Resource Type drop-down menu. Now, choose the specific EFS file system you want to backup. You can find your file systems listed under the selected resource type. Confirm the selection by clicking on Add next to your chosen EFS file system. After adding the resources, click Next to proceed. Review the backup plan settings to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click Create Backup Plan to finalize the process. Your backup plan will now be created and will automatically back up your EFS data per the defined schedule. You can monitor the backup status from the AWS Backup dashboard. To view existing backups, go to the Protected Resources section in the dashboard. Here, you will find an overview of all backups associated with your EFS file system. If you need to initiate a manual backup, select your EFS file system and click on Backup Now. Follow the prompts to start the manual backup process. Once completed, you will receive a notification confirming the backup. That's it. You have successfully set up AWS Backup for your EFS data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.